Today I want to show you how to make lip balm or hand balm, and we are going to use just 3 ingredients.
Okay, so what we need pretty much are 3 ingredients: beeswax, cocoa butter, and coconut oil. Of course, your measuring cups. So now we're going to mix pretty much equal parts of beeswax and cocoa butter. The way the smell of this beeswax is delicious. Okay, so there we go, 1 cup of beeswax, 1 cup of cocoa butter, 1.5 cup of coconut oil. Mix all of it together. Place it here until everything melted down. Usually takes like 10-15 minutes. So put it in medium or low temperature, up to you. Okay guys, it's completely melted. Now we're going to transfer that to some containers. You have to work quite fast because, as you can see here, this is getting hard. So make sure to do it quite fast.
Let it cool down for at least 1 hour, and you will notice that the color changed to a light yellow, so that means that it is completely dry and ready to be used. By the way, this is so nice that you can apply it on your lips or your hands or pretty much the rest of your body. So I totally recommend you to do it because all the ingredients are natural and you know what you're putting on your body. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!